We're excited to welcome you back to Walt Disney World Resort. As we reopen our parks, we're introducing Disney Park Pass System, a new theme park reservation system to help manage attendance. To enter the park, each member in your party ages 3 and up is required to have a park reservation and a valid admission for the same park on the same date. Prior to making your park reservations, please follow these important steps. First, create a Disney account or sign into an existing account. A Disney account can be created online or through the My Disney Experience app. Next, confirm park admission is linked to your Disney account for each person in your party. If you'll be staying with us at a Disney resort, confirm that your Disney Resort hotel reservation is linked to your Disney account as well. Now you're ready to make your park reservations. First, create your party by selecting guests from your family and friends list. Then select the date that you wish to visit the park. Here you can select the park you want to visit. Now select the time. You can arrive for your park reservation between park open and park close. Finally, review your reservation details and confirm. Repeat for each day of your visit. Your park reservations can be viewed in the My Plans section of your My Disney Experience account. You're all set. We look forward to seeing you soon at Walt Disney World Resort.